Hi, welcome. Thank you for joining You Fix It. Today we're going to be looking at our water heater, and if you get a reduction in water getting hot, or if it stops heating the water altogether, you can try backflushing it, which is removing calcium buildup on the burner plates. By doing that, you want to locate this spigot at the bottom of the hot water heater. This one has a plug on it, which is just to keep any leaks from happening. Remove that, and you'll want to hook a garden hose up to this valve. Okay, we got the hose hooked up, and this is very simple to do. You do not have to turn off the burner or the gas or the water going into the water heater. You leave all that on, and the water flow going into the heater will help build up turbulence inside, and that will build up the calcium buildup on the burner plates and push it out through the hose. We're opening the spigot. And we're opening the spigot. Don't go too far, just with where you hear the water flowing through. In some models, these spigots could come off and cause hot water to come out at you, so be very careful when you're opening that valve. We got a good amount of water flow coming out through the hose. Okay, we've been running about 15 minutes, and I'm going to shut it down and test the water, see how it works. I would say this has worked about probably a good 75% of the time. It's made some positive results. Just disconnect the hose. Sometimes these valves leak, especially on older models, after you mess with them. So you can get one of these hose bib caps, put it on there, and stop the leak. Okay, now is the test. I just cooked up a tank full of water in the heater, and we're going to see how it's working. And you can see the steam, so it's getting pretty hot, I would say. So give it a try, and I would do this routine once to twice a year at least for regular maintenance, routine maintenance, and hopefully it keeps your water heater going for a long time. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Have a great day.